Dringweenzy, hello. Welcome to the NCTR's tutorial for how to use our new online archives database. My name is Crystal Gale Fraser, and I'm an intergenerational residential school survivor. Shori Crystal Gale Fraser Vilji, Anuvik at Dechancho Genjik, Gwichya Gwichin Ithli. Again, my name is Crystal. That was my indigenous language, Dinjiju Ginjik. I am originally from Anuvik, and my family's fish camp Tree River in the Northwest Territories. Today, I will show you how to find a photograph in the holdings of the archives. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission collected over 40,000 photographs to document the history and legacy of residential schools. The TRC collected two types of photographs, historical and contemporary. Historical photographs came from personal collections, government offices, and religious archives. Often, the photographer was a staff member of the school or religious order. The contemporary photographs are from the TRC public events where survivors, the relations, and the Canadian public came together to witness the impacts of residential schools. Usually, the photographer was a TRC staff member. Step 1. To find a photograph in the archives, go to the archives homepage. Select the Browse button at the top of the screen and choose either Historical Photographs or Contemporary Photographs from the drop-down list. Step 2. Scroll or browse through photos in the display screen. You can also choose to view the photos in a list display by selecting the list icon on top of the photograph's display screen. Near the bottom of the screen, click on Next or a specific page number to browse through more search results. By selecting Historical Photograph from the Browse selection, you have filtered your search to exclusively descriptions of photographs. The result defaults to descriptions of photos with digital images attached. You can see the With Digital Objects tag at the top of the page. On the left side menu bar, you can narrow the context and details of the photographs you are searching. Some of the details to narrow your search include: number 1, creator, the person or organization responsible for the creation of the photo. Number 2, name, the photographer, subject, or event in the photo. Number 3, place, the location the photo was taken. Step 3. When you find a photograph that interests you, click on the photograph to view more information about it. The details of the photograph are broken out into areas of information. Some of these include: number 1, identity area. Here you will find the title, the dates, and the ID number of the photograph. Number 2, context area. Here you will find the name of the creator of the photograph. Number 3, context and structure area. Here you will find the contents of the photograph. Number 4, conditions of access. Here you will learn about the rights to access and use the photograph. Step 4, there are several ways to access a copy of a photograph. A, it's possible to print or download a low-quality version of the photograph directly from the website. B, most contemporary photos are the property of the NCTR. Contact the NCTR archives to acquire a copy of the photograph. C, many historical photographs are copies from other archival institutions. To get a copy of the photograph and gain permission to use it, contact the NCTR archives. You can find further information and resources on how to use the NCTR digital archives and search for other records by visiting the guides and tutorial page on the website.